Scientists are terrified. The universe is playing a cruel trick on humanity. Billions of galaxies. Trillions of stars. Countless planets. The cosmos should be teeming with life. Yet, we listen. We scan. We observe. The silence is deafening. Where are they all? This is the Fermi Paradox. A profound question challenging our place in the universe. The sheer probability suggests advanced civilizations should be common. Life finds a way. The Drake equation attempts to calculate these probabilities. The numbers are staggering. We are a young civilization. Yet, our signals already escape our solar system. Over billions of years, other civilizations should have risen. They should be ancient. One chilling explanation, the Great Filter. A cosmic barrier preventing life from thriving. Perhaps the filter is behind us. The improbable jump from non-life to complex life. Or ahead. A technological singularity, resource depletion, or cosmic catastrophe. Maybe Earth is incredibly rare. The perfect conditions for complex life are exceptional. Are we being observed? The zoo hypothesis suggests we're in a cosmic preserve. Perhaps they are here already. We simply lack the means to recognize them. Their communication might be beyond our understanding. Not radio, but something else entirely. The distances are immense. The time required for travel, unfathomable. Our search continues. SETI programs tirelessly scan the skies for alien signals. Telescopes like Webb reveal exoplanet atmospheres. Hints of biosignatures could be next. Future technologies promise even greater reach. We are only just beginning to truly look. What if we are alone? A fragile spark of consciousness in an empty void. It would place immense responsibility on us. To cherish and protect our unique existence. Hope and fear intertwine. A cosmic revelation could redefine everything. Our understanding of life, intelligence, and our place would forever change. The Fermi Paradox remains. A profound, unanswered question echoing across the cosmos. Our innate curiosity compels us forward. We must continue to search. Every new discovery, every scanned frequency, takes us closer to an answer. Are we truly alone in this boundless ocean? Or is someone listening back? The universe is immense, ancient. With billions of galaxies, where are the signs of intelligent life? The Fermi Paradox persists. If they exist, why haven't we found them, or been found? Perhaps the sheer distances are too vast, signals too faint to ever reach us across light years. Even powerful transmissions weaken, becoming indistinguishable from cosmic background noise over stellar distances. Our search, primarily through SETI, scans a tiny fraction of the cosmic radio dial. Are we listening on the wrong frequencies, missing an entire symphony of alien communication? Perhaps advanced civilizations simply don't use radio waves, having moved beyond such primitive communication. They might communicate using technologies we can't yet conceive, or haven't learned to detect. Could they communicate instantaneously across vast distances, bypassing the speed of light entirely? The Great Filter theory suggests there's a barrier preventing life from reaching interstellar capability. One possibility, the filter lies in our past. Life itself, or complex life, is incredibly rare. The leap from simple single-celled organisms to complex, multicellular life might be an immense hurdle. The Cambrian explosion, a sudden burst of biodiversity, could be a unique, improbable event. The rare Earth hypothesis posits that our planet's conditions are uniquely perfect for complex life. A gas giant like Jupiter, in the right place, protects inner planets from destructive impacts. Plate tectonics, a stable magnetic field, a large moon, countless factors contribute to habitability. What if the Great Filter is yet to come, a catastrophic event awaiting all advanced civilizations? An extinction-level asteroid impact, a cosmic game of chance, could reset any burgeoning civilization. Self-destruction through nuclear war, resource depletion, or unchecked technology remains a terrifying possibility. Environmental collapse, a slow, irreversible decline, could render a planet uninhabitable for its creators. The creation of superintelligent AI, a technological singularity, might lead to humanity's obsolescence. Uncontrolled biological weapons or pandemics could decimate populations before interstellar travel is achieved. Cosmic events like gamma-ray bursts or supernovae can sterilize entire star systems in an instant. The universe is a dangerous place. Life might simply be unlucky, snuffed out by cosmic violence. Perhaps civilizations rarely survive their technological adolescence, collapsing under their own weight. The zoo hypothesis suggests aliens are aware of us, but choose not to interfere. Is Earth a pristine exhibit, our development observed by a galactic federation awaiting our maturity? What if the Great Filter isn't behind us, but tragically, lies in our future? Advanced civilizations might face self-destruction through environmental collapse or resource depletion. Uncontrolled artificial intelligence, a creation meant to serve, could become an existential threat. Technological prowess brings the capacity for self-annihilation, from nuclear war to engineered plagues. The silence might be a stark warning: most civilizations don't survive their own adolescence. Perhaps we are part of a cosmic zoo, observed but not contacted by advanced species. The interdict hypothesis suggests a galactic federation enforces non-interference with nascent civilizations. Our current technological stage might be considered too primitive for meaningful communication. They may have visited in our past, quietly documenting our slow, often turbulent, evolution. Until we reach a certain threshold, humanity remains in cosmic quarantine. The dark forest hypothesis paints a chilling picture of a dangerous cosmos. Any civilization broadcasting its presence risks attracting hostile attention from unknown predators. Silence is survival. Advanced species might be hiding, fearing detection above all else. They wouldn't just hide, they would actively suppress any signals, becoming virtually invisible. Perhaps advanced life has transcended biological forms, migrating into vast computational realities. They may have uploaded their minds, existing as pure information, leaving physical bodies behind. Their interests might lie beyond our observable universe, in dimensions or energies we can't perceive. Our universe might be a mere substrate for their far grander, metaphysical existences. We seek biological life, while they might exist in forms we cannot even imagine or detect. The rare Earth hypothesis posits that complex life requires an incredibly specific set of circumstances. Most planets are too volatile, too close to their star, or lack crucial protective features. Even if intelligent life is common, the sheer distances make communication and detection incredibly difficult. We might simply be too far, too early, or too technologically limited to find them. Despite the silence, the search continues, driven by our innate curiosity. New technologies and methodologies offer fresh hope in detecting subtle signals. The Fermi Paradox forces us to confront our place in the universe, alone or not. The greatest lesson might be the urgent need for humanity to ensure its own long-term survival. The silence persists, but the question echoes: are we truly alone, or just not listening correctly? One potential filter: the sheer improbability of life arising from non-living matter. Abiogenesis remains a profound mystery. Even after life began, the leap from simple prokaryotes to complex eukaryotic cells took billions of years. Another hurdle. Then came multicellularity, a revolutionary step. Specialized cells cooperating, leading to complex organisms. The development of intelligence, self-awareness, and problem-solving abilities is not guaranteed by evolution. Plate tectonics, recycling carbon and regulating climate, might be essential for sustained habitability. Even our large moon plays a critical role, stabilizing Earth's axial tilt and preventing extreme climate swings. These cumulative factors suggest Earth might be exceedingly rare, making complex, intelligent life a cosmic anomaly. But what if the filter lies ahead? A future catastrophe that most civilizations cannot survive. One terrifying possibility: self-annihilation through advanced weaponry, like nuclear war. A common end point. Or perhaps civilizations fail to manage their planetary resources, succumbing to irreversible climate catastrophe. The emergence of superintelligent AI could lead to unintended consequences, or even human redundancy. Infinite growth on a finite planet is impossible. Resource depletion could halt expansion and lead to collapse. Uncontrolled biotechnology or novel pathogens could pose existential threats to advanced civilizations. Beyond self-inflicted wounds, cosmic events like gamma-ray bursts could sterilize entire star systems. Or perhaps simpler, frequent asteroid impacts sufficiently devastating to reset budding civilizations. Even stars die. As they evolve, they can render their planets uninhabitable, regardless of life's progress. If the filter is ahead, then the silence we hear is a chilling warning for our own future. What if they are out there, but we simply haven't found them, or they don't want to be found? The zoo hypothesis suggests advanced civilizations observe us, much like we study wildlife, without interference. Perhaps our entire observable universe is a grand simulation, created by a hidden, vastly superior intelligence. Their biology, technology, or consciousness might be so fundamentally different, we wouldn't recognize them. Our current search methods, primarily radio waves, are incredibly limited in scope and frequency. Are we listening correctly? Perhaps they use neutrinos, gravitational waves, or quantum entanglement, forms of communication we can't yet detect. Could some civilizations exist in realms beyond our ordinary matter, perhaps harnessing dark energy or matter? Civilizations might be too far apart, or their lifespans too brief, for meaningful contact across cosmic timescales. Interstellar travel demands immense energy and resources. Perhaps it's simply not practical for any civilization. The universe may be teeming with life, but advanced civilizations are like rare, shy creatures, hard to spot. The Fermi Paradox forces us to confront our place in the cosmos, a profound question with no easy answers. Are we alone, or are we simply too early? The search continues, shaping our future.